Hello everyone, today's video will show you how to use the built-in non-volatile flash memory on the Basys 3 board to program the FPGA and the microflash processor. This allows us to power cycle the FPGA without losing its configuration, and this means we no longer need to keep the FPGA connected to the computer. To do this, we need to generate a bin file associated with the L file and store it in flash memory. We will use the design of project number 1, which controls the LEDs, buttons, and switches. So let's open project number 1. Let's quickly review this design. In this design, we have 3 Xi GPIOs for the LEDs, buttons, and switches. When we press the push button, the LEDs will light up according to the switches. Then, in order to store the C code in the flash, we need to associate the F file from the Vitis first. So let's launch the Vitis IDE. Once again, we open the folder for project number 1 as the workspace. We can see the code we built last time, and there's no need to make any changes. To generate the L file, we simply need to rebuild the application. Now, as you can see, the L file has been successfully generated. Now let's go back to the Vivado. Click Tool and click Associate L file. Within the design sources, click here and add files. Find out our L file from the application folder and in the build folder. Then click OK. Once the L file is associated, the information from our C code application will be included in the bin file when we generate the bitstream. Now click the tool and we click Settings, select the bitstream. We need to make sure that we have selected the bin file here. This means when we generate the bitstream, we also create a bin file. Then we can generate the bitstream. After generating bitstream, now we need to write the bin file into the non-volatile flash memory on the Basys 3 board. Click Open Hardware Manager. Now you need to connect your Basys 3 board to your computer and turn on its power. Once our Basys 3 board is ready, click the Auto Connect. Then we need to select the type of memory on our board. According to the Basys 3 manual, the memory chip on your board may come from different manufacturers. You can verify this by checking the manufacturer information printed on the memory chip. This memory is located on the back of the board. You can select the corresponding memory based on the number on the board. Click OK to configure the memory now. Find out the bin file in Rounds folder and Implement folder. Select the bin file and click OK. Then we successfully store the configuration information into the flash memory. As you can see, I have already disconnected my Basys 3 board from my computer and connected to a power bank. After turning on the power, press the configuration button. During the configuration process, the busy LED will light up. After a few seconds, the down LED will light up, indicating that the configuration is complete. Now you can operate the FPGA board without needing to connect it to the computer, and you will not lose the configuration in the flash memory even if you turn off the power.